In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the biggest changes coming to the world of RV living in 2023. Now, if you thought there have been a lot of changes to RVing post-COVID, well, just stay tuned because we're seeing some pretty interesting changes on the horizon for RV life in the coming year. You're going to want to stay tuned to this one. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Charity and my husband Ben, our two kids, our dog, and our two cats have been traveling the US in our RV for the past 5 years, and we have learned a ton along the way. So the purpose of this channel is to share with you all of the best places to go, the best campgrounds to stay at, great food to try, plus lots of RVing tips and tricks. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing so you can be notified when we release a new video each week. As of the time of the filming for this video, 2022 is coming to a close, and we are seeing some interesting things on the horizon for 2023 for RVers and those that enjoy RV living. So let's jump right in and talk about 4 things that could have a big impact in the coming year. Now, one of the biggest changes that we could see in the world of RV living in 2023 is the rise of fully electric RVs. Now, as more and more people are becoming concerned about the environment, the demand for electric vehicles is only going to continue to grow. And this means that in 2023, we could see a lot more RVs that are powered by electricity or that have some sort of hybrid power source. Winnebago and Thor have already debuted concept electric RVs, and the luxury RV manufacturer Bolus is already making a fully electric solar powered RV. We personally will be adding some solar to our RV in 2023, along with 2 more Battleborn batteries, increasing off-grid capabilities. And speaking of off-grid, if you haven't yet heard about the new reality show RV Unplugged that's coming in 2023, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that in just a few minutes. Another big change that we kind of see coming to the world of RV living in 2023 is the growth of the sharing economy, specifically as it relates to RVs. More and more people are realizing they don't need to own an RV in order to enjoy RV living. We're seeing the potential for more RV rental companies and RV sharing platforms like Outdoorsy and RV Share coming onto the scene in 2023. Platforms like these make it easier than ever for people to enjoy the RV lifestyle without the cost and commitment of RV ownership. And it's also a great way to just dip your toe in and test the waters of the RV lifestyle without having to sell it all and go full time. Now, as the RV industry continues to grow, we're seeing the potential for some major improvements when it comes to tech and amenities in RVs. Things like Apple CarPlay, factory installed solar and lithium setups, pretty cool stuff. Winnebago has revealed their National Park Edition Vista, which includes an upgraded solar system and armless awnings. Now, as a side note, it's about dang time somebody came up with an armless awning setup. I can't tell you how many times I've hit my head on an awning arm or tripped over a line that was tied down to secure an awning. And we're going to be seeing more technologies for those needing to work from the road, like pre-installed Wi-Fi connectivity, pre-wired for Starlink internet. There's also a move towards more luxurious amenities like heated floors and higher-end kitchen appliances. These are becoming more common in RVs. Now, I don't know about you, and maybe you can leave me a comment below and let me know how you feel about this, but I would just love to have a dishwasher in our RV. And speaking of upgrades, I do want to take a quick minute to share a great resource and the #1 place that we now shop when it comes to RV upgrades. We've made quite a few upgrades to our RV this year, including our Max Air fans and our new residential feeling toilet, a new tow bar for our Jeep, and several others. We do love using eTrailer.com for all of our upgrades because they make it super easy to get the parts we need at an affordable price. Now, one of the biggest intimidating factors when we're looking for replacement parts or upgrade parts can be making sure that we're getting the right part, because there's so many different RV applications out there, and it can be difficult knowing which component is the right one for your RV. eTrailer has American-based phone support where you can call and speak with a live person who will help you make sure you're ordering the correct part or component. They offer quick shipping and phone support should you have any questions during the install process. One of the things that we do here on this channel is to share resources with you in the RV community that we personally have found helpful and useful. And eTrailer is definitely one of those resources. You can learn more at gratefulglamper.com/eTrailer or at the link in the description below. Now, number 4 change that we see coming for 2023, more diverse and obscure destinations. One of the best things about RV living is the ability to explore new places, new sites, meet new people, and try new food. In 2023, we are going to see more diverse destinations becoming more popular among RVers. Now, while many RVers have traditionally wanted to visit all of the national parks or other bucket list type destinations, these destinations have quickly become overcrowded with visitors, and that makes it harder to get campground reservations. It drives up the cost to stay in these areas. So we could see more travelers seeking out amazing destinations that are not necessarily the popular parks, but places that can be just as amazing. Destinations like the lesser known national parks like Congaree National Park in South Carolina, or places in the Southwest where there are amazing views, rich history, and the costs for campgrounds are considerably less than what it typically costs to reserve an RV site in more popular destinations. We have a whole playlist for RVing in the Southwest that I will put a link to after this video is over that you can check out. Now, a new TV series about RVers is coming in 2023. RV Unplugged is kind of like Amazing Race meets Survivor. And so in this new TV series that will be premiering in March of 2023, it's a brand new reality show featuring RVers, and we are so excited to have been selected as contestants on this very first season.
Oh man, I'm tired.
It was a very emotional day. I'm very tired as well. Late night, and I am absolutely 100% shocked.
You're gonna wanna cheer us on as we compete to win the grand prize of $10,000. So there you have it, some of the biggest changes coming to the world of RV living in 2023, from the rise of electric RVs to the growth of the sharing economy. There's actually a lot to be excited about for the RV community in the coming year. Don't forget to check out the playlist right up here on RVing in the Southwest, or check out the videos for RV Unplugged right up here. If we don't see you out on the road or around the campground, we'll see you in the next video.